Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting of India, Thirum Venkaiah Naidu Garu, and all the other dignitaries present here. I heartful welcome to you, Cultural Capital of India, Chennai. It is my great privilege and honor to speak before you, and I thank God and lovers of cinema for giving me this opportunity. Honorable Minister, being from South India, you know well the great history of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu and its people hold a special place when it comes to accepting an important role for cinema in their life. Tamil Nadu was the first state in India to have a chief minister from the film industry. We produced 5 chief ministers associated with the film industry, commencing with Perarinyar Anna, Dr. Kalaignar, Purachi Thalaivar MGR, Tirumati Janaki MGR, and the current chief minister who won successful for the second time, Honorable the Great Amma. Today, there are many MLAs and MPs from the film industry in South. Such is the importance of cinema in politics and day-to-day life of the people of Tamil Nadu. Such an important industry is facing several issues, and I seek the attention of Honorable Minister. Firstly, like how our ancient practice yoga has been made popular worldwide by your government with single-minded focus, cinema is our culture. It should be seen as a medium to spread of our culture throughout the world than being seen just as an entertainment industry. Cinema requires special support from the government. China has identified the importance of the cinema and has gone out of the way to support, which has brought to huge growth to them. In 2009, China film industry size was just around rupees 5,000 crores against the India film industry of rupees 6,000 crores. In 2015, China film industry has grown to the size of rupees 45,000 crores, while Indian film industry size of only for 13,500 crores. Chinese government focused on the film industry and supported the fully to achieve the growth. We seek to similar support from you achieve growth of our industry. China focused on cinema screens in increase from 4,700 in 2009 and almost 32,000 cinema screens in 2015. This was the primary reason for this big growth. In 2009, India had around 12,000 cinema screens, and as of 2015, we had only around 12,500 screens. In Tamil Nadu, we have less than 1,000 cinema screens, while what we need in minimum 3,000 screens to cater to the 8 crores people. We appeal to the Honorable Minister to offer tax subsidy to set up multiplex and miniplex and convert single screens into multiplex for 5 years, which will motivate many people to set up multiplex and miniplex every town in city. Unless the government support and motivates the growth in number of cinema screens in India and in Tamil Nadu will be slow and will not meet the need of people. Hence, we request Honorable Minister to kindly look into this. The lack of sufficient cinema screens motivating the people watch film through the piracy. Through the piracy. Today, piracy eats away 40 to 50% of revenues, which should be rightfully come to the producers. Many research reports indicate and that we losing almost 18,000 crores due to piracy in India. Tamil film industry loses more than 1,000 crores every year due to piracy. If the central government support and take strong action, this piracy means can be greatly controlled. Like you have initiated to control the pornography websites availability into India, we request you to set up separate cell and block all the internet server and online website offering our film illegally across the globe. As the internet and telecommunication come under to the central government preview, unless your government takes strong initiative to curb piracy by blocking of all such illegal internet servers and websites, the piracy will go unchecked and will soon destroy our film industry. We appeal to you, kindly look into this matter urgently, as this is the most important request of our film industry youth. Tamil film industry is the pioneer of the film industry with over 100 years film production, starting with the silent film Kichiga Vadam, produced in 1916 by Thiru R. Nadaraj Mudaliyar. But we do not have any government achieves protect our past. We appeal to government to set up archives and Tamil film industry like to you set up Pune for all films. Unless the archives is set up separately, Tamil cinema, our history and heritage will not be preserved future generation to know our progress. Lastly, Chennai remains the hub of many South Indian films. Against 100 to 150 films censored here few years back. Today, Chennai censor office censor over 300 films a year, yet we have a small censor office with limited employees. With heavy workload, we appeal to the minister to increase the infrastructures and facilities and officers at Chennai censor office to reduce the work load and foster issuance of censor certificate. I thank you once again for coming to Chennai and being a part of August gathering. On behalf of Tamil film industry, I earnestly appeal to you, review the above request to kindly to do the needful for the betterment of the film industry and its growth. Thank you once again for the opportunity to speak before you. Thank you.